Hi everyone, I am Shraddha from ACS Infotech Private Limited and I would like to share with you about email campaign using Infoman eCRM and EDMS. So what is eTouch? ACS offers complete solution for digital promotions. Our product eTouch is a tool that enables efficient digital push promotions through email. So next questions came to our mind is why email. So now I'm going to cover why email. As we all know, email marketing is always the first choice of business organizations when they want to bring back customers or expand their operations in new territories. In our 27 years of automobile industry experience, we have seen that email still remains one of the most effective mode of communications which current and potential customers. More than 66% organization use it to promote their businesses or communicate with their prospect or new customers. Email is also an important method of business communications that is fast, with low cost, easily accessible. It also helps in maintaining a touch point with customers even if we cannot speak to customers directly. It also helps in creating brand recall value. Through an email, we can also send an attachment if needed. So now I'm going to cover ROI of mailing solutions. So what is the main ROI of our email solutions? So with mailing solution automation, significant time and money will be saved. Consistent promotions on database helps in higher lead generation. Cross promotions will help take advantage of data captured across verticals. So the main idea of this cross promotion thing is you can use, for example, insurance data to promote service to your customers, service data where you have the insurance data with you. You can push insurance renewal notification to the respective customers. Also, consistent emailing over long terms will increase your brand visibility. Because of automation of birthday, anniversary wishes, customers are greeted at various occasions without any much effort or manual interventions. So in eTouch, there are multiple feature list. I am going to cover some of the key features which eTouch applications have. So through eTouch application, you may create standard templates of mailers which can be used for repeat campaigns. Thus, it saves your times and efforts. Predefined mailer formats and templates ensure enhanced brand visibility to your customers, to the end users. After composing an email, you can also personalize it as required. So you can personalize it by adding vehicles, parameters or customer name, etc. It is also allow creation of multiple standard and pre-formatted templates. So means you can define templates in once and that template can be used multiple times. In application, there is provision for mailer scheduling. So mailer can be designed in advance and can be for the future date. So if you have a sort of the time, so you can create any mailer today. And if you want to schedule it for after 1 week or 5 days in system, there is a provision. We can also add hyperlinks in our mailers. So that hyperlink will redirect viewers to the site for booking service appointment, meeting, etc. So we can add multiple links if we want. It will also have a unsubscribe option. So if anybody or any customer wants to opt out from the mailing list, they can easily opt out without any manual intervention and by clicking on the unsubscribe link, which is going with the within the mailer itself. In eTouch application, we are maintaining mailer archive. So you can use archive mailer multiple times. Analyze success ratio of your mailing campaign on the different parameters like dates, the read receipt, the delivery status, means how much mailers has been released, what is the email IDs where the mailers are is not getting delivered, means they are in some error. So you will have all the analysis with you. Summary view to check quality of customer data. It's a very important point, because if you continuous send mailers to your customer and you are having the list of incorrect email IDs, so you can correct your mailing list or the contact database also. So through this eTouch application, you can validate your contact database. This eTouch application is a feature of auto schedule of mailers like birthday, anniversary, and festive greetings. Now I am going to explain you usage of email campaign at dealerships. So there are many occasions where we may send mailers to our customers. For example, if we want to promote all products ranges to our customer, or suppose you have launched any new product in your company, so you can promote your product to your existing customers. When any new customers joins your buy any vehicle from your center, so you can greet them by sending a welcome letter. In regular time period, you can send service invitations mailers, service reminder mailers, and in case of insurance is going to expire, you can also send insurance renewal mailers. So there are many mailers for which you can send reminders to your existing customer list. You can also promote extended warranty. If you want to offer any special offers to your customers, you can design a mailer especially for that purpose and send that to the customers. You can greet your customer by sending birthday and anniversary greeting and also festival greetings. So ACS has recently completed the integration between two powerful customer facing solutions, that is Infoman eCRM and Infoman eDMS with Infoman eTouch. This means Infoman eTouch will now use customer database created in eCRM and eDMS to conduct bulk mailing and promotional campaign. Now I'm going to show you some of the sample mailer templates which our existing customers are currently using. So if you see in current screen, this is the monsoon service template offer. So they are introducing monsoon service offer and they want to send this mailers to their customers. So they simply design this template once and can be reused in further also. The another template is for service invitations, where we just mention dear customers, greeting from dealership name, and your service is due on which date. We can also mention it. And if you see, there is a one link where customer can directly click and book appointment online. So as I covered earlier, in eTouch application, you can add links also. In another template, this is for especially for insurance renewal. So if you see in template, with each template, it is parameterized. So suppose if we send this mailer to our customers, so the insurance renewal date will automatically placed with this parameters. The next one is for general purpose. If along with the service invitation, insurance renewal, you can also launch some of the activity for your existing customer. You can conduct any online yoga session for your customer and you can send that to your customer so that they can relate with you or connect with you more. In another sample mailer, you can see this is the for birthday wishes or anniversary wishes. So this is the sample templates only. For you, you have to design your own templates and share with us so that we can make available in eTouch application and you can use that mailers while sending to your customers. Thank you.